welcome to this video. I'm going to answer the question, is Epidemic Sound worth it for YouTube? Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Now, if you are a creator, okay, the short answer is yes. Epidemic Sound right here is absolutely worth it, but only if your channel has outgrown the free options. So for the vast majority of YouTubers, it has become the industry standard for a reason. However, it is not a mandatory expense for everyone, okay? So let's go ahead and determine if it's worth the monthly fee for your specific channel. So let's talk about the big pros first. The number one reason to pay for Epidemic Sound is peace of mind. You'll just basically link your YouTube channel right here. Go ahead over to Saved List, add in your YouTube channel, and their system automatically whitelists your video against YouTube ID claims. So you don't have to copy paste attribution codes into your description or worry about a random artist changing their mind 3 years from now and claiming your video's revenue. And if you publish your video while you have an active subscription, that specific video is protected forever, even if you cancel your subscription next month. And as we all know, time is money for video creators. YouTube's free audio library has thousands of tracks, but finding a good music can take hours of scrolling. Epidemic Sound right here has incredibly advanced search filters. You can search by vibe, BPM, or specific energy levels. And their AI Sound Match, or the Sound Match tool, help you find a track in under a minute. Now, if you find a track that has the perfect beat but an annoying vocal track, you can download just the stems, okay? Okay, for example, let's go ahead over to pop right here. Now, let's say you want this music. You gotta click on download. Now, you can download stems. You can download the full mix, by the way, or just download the melody, instrument, bass, or drums only. Now, buy it if you upload to YouTube consistently and you're actively monetizing, okay? Also, if you're tired of wasting hours hunting for good free music and you want zero copyright stress. You want to skip it if you are a casual hobbyist, you only upload once every few months, let's say, or your channel isn't making money yet and you are on a tight budget. Okay, so that is Epidemic Sound for you. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.